cut in little pieces, and cabbage I cut in little pieces too. And I cut my tomato and I add 1 green chili in there for little pieces. And I chop butter in my karai to warm up. And now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon jeera. Okay guys, you can see my jeera is just like start cracking, so I'm going to add onion now. Mix it well and roast it until it's very golden brown. Okay guys, you can see my onion is getting golden brown, and I just don't want to be too much brown or burn it, so I'm going to add all the spice inside. So I'm adding salt, mix it well, and I'm going to add tomato and green chili. Mix it well. I'm going to add 2 spoons water inside to my tomato to get soft. I'm going to cover it for 1 minute. Let me just check. My tomato is still a little hard, so I'm just going to cover for 2 more minutes until my tomato gets soft. Okay guys, let me just check. Okay, my masala is ready. So now I'm going to add garam masala and some kasuri methi. I'm going to just crush with my hands. Mix it well. Smell is so yummy. You can see. Now I'm going to add first potato. Okay. Mix it, and now I'm going to cover it for 5 minutes until my potato just get a little soft. So I cover it and wait for 5 minutes. Okay guys, let me just check my potatoes. But I'm going to add green peas. Mix it well, and now I'm going to add cabbage. Please don't add any water, because cabbage has a lot of water, a lot of moisturize. Because if you add water, your dish is going to be like watery. And this dish is very delicious and very easy to make it. I think anybody can make it. And please guys, if you guys are new in my channel, so subscribe my channel and like my videos and let me know what you guys want to learn more. I can cook any food, any Indian food, rice, any vegetables, dals, roti, paratha, naan, anything you can ask me. Just please subscribe my channel and comment below if you guys want to learn any new recipe. And now I just all mixed up this recipe, and I'm gonna cover. Okay guys, my cabbage, potato and green peas dish is ready. It looks so yummy. So please subscribe my channel, and if you like my video, give me thumbs up, and please comment below if you like it, or stay tuned for more. And please comment below. Comment me if you need any other recipe or anything if you guys want to learn. Thank you. Bye bye.